Your whole body can be used as a virtual reality controller, which means you can put all your energy into the experience. What about a device that could help you fix your posture and get rid of the aches and pains that coming back because you sit too much? But that's not all. A drone in the shape of a ball ignores gravity to give you a perfect view of its surrounding. In today's video, we will find out about even more cool electronic gadget. By making your whole body a VR controller, you can use all of your physical abilities. The device also has full body motion capture system, so you can sign up for virtual taekwondo with your opponents in a fully immersive virtual world. So real is that you forget you're in a virtual world. The untethered whole body motion tracking system works with Steam VR, OpenVR, and OpenXR apps and tracks movement in real time with low latency. The Axis system has 9 separate sensors placed at the key points all over the body, as well as a wireless hub. This makes it possible to track very accurately from the inside out. Because of this, no extra trackers are needed, and the system can be used in places where space is limited. It's not just an axe for games, the system has the usual 3 VR gaming modes: user, creator, and headset for motion capture animators. Because the strap can be taken off and the design is modular, it is easy to switch out sensors to keep the acting going. The price listed as $400. A lot of people develop bad sitting habits by accident, but you might not realize how bad they are for people's health. The artificially smart self mirror is here to help you improve your posture by telling you to change how you sit. If the way you do it now is bad for your health, unlike other products on the market, it doesn't force you to stand up straight. Your posture will get better quickly if you use Self Mirror, which guides you through a natural process of fixing your posture. You can now use a computer, smartphone, or piano for long periods of time without getting a painful stiff neck or back. Self Mirror can be used both in smart mode and custom mode. With smart mode, you can start sitting up straight right away. When you switch to the custom mode, you will be told out loud what changes you need to make. If you are in a public place that needs silence, the Self Mirror will turn on its indicator light as a gentle reminder to sit up straight. It costs $70 to buy this item. The latest generation of bone conduction technology, KyboFlex, lets you hear high quality sound all around you. The KyboFlex headphones use bone conduction technology, which sends sound vibration to the inner ear through the bone instead of the air in the ear channel. This lets you listen to music without shutting out all sound around you. The patent is yours. Modern audio gear can produce clean mid-range and high-range tones as well as strong bass. You can make out everything you hear. Modern method of cladding effectively block out almost all outside noise, so you can have private phone calls and music listening sessions. You can control your calls, music volume, and voice assistance with a single touch. Built-in visual sensor makes sure the sound is comfortable. When you take out your headphones, the music stops playing. When you put them back in, the music starts up again. The internal battery can play music for up to 8 hours after a single charge. KyboFlex now for $79. Watch the miracle happen in slow motion right in front of your eyes. You can buy a frame kit called Slow Dance that uses cover coil to make the effect of slow motion. It gives the impression of slower movement by using a visual illusion. The frame kit comes with a simple instruction for putting it together. Any object like a flower or feather can be put in the frame's clips. Just plug the gadgets into a power source to see the magic. The controls on the device let you change the brightness and switch between different dance modes. Some move the item slowly and smoothly, while others make it look like it's jumping in the air. This tool was made to help people calm down, deal with the stress, and focus. You will only have to pay about $456. Have you ever seen a pet door that is smart I'm going to show you right now. PowerPort is motorized pet door that connects to Wi-Fi and slide into the groove of your existing pet door's frame in seconds. The pet door is made of solid steel and aluminum. It is held in place with a simple screw and can't be taken out from the outside. PowerPort comes with a small collar tag, rechargeable, waterproof Bluetooth, and your pets won't even notice it. One charge every few months is all you'll need. On the back of the tag, you can write your pet's name and ID number. When your pet is near PowerPort, it slowly and safely opens. When your pet walks away, the door slowly closes. In the PowerPort app, you can change the sensitivity level for more precise control and to cut down on false opens. Also, PowerPort comes with a free app that lets you control all of your doors function from your phone. On the app, you can make a plan for your pet's movement. Get this one for $350 for your favorite pet. Is there anyone who remembers how these kinds of game consoles looked when they first came out? The GKD Pro portable retro game system is a redone and improved version of the original. You can revive your childhood by playing updated versions of your favorite old games. Some of the games you can play in GKD Pro are Mario Kart and Street Fighter. The latest version of this handheld game console has a strong metal case that makes it stand out from other plastic handhelds on the market. The metal exterior doesn't show dirt or fingerprints. It fits like a glove and keeps you cool and dry even after hours of playing, not like the plastic consoles. Combining the front and shoulder button can give you a lot of control when playing games. The extra consoles give players more ways to play. If you use both hands, instead of letting your fingers touch, you can play with more accuracy. GKD Pro cost $150. This drone's idea is really interesting. With its solid sphere shape and 360-degree camera, Jupiter's drone breaks the rules of gravity and drone design. It looks like a magical floating Earth from science fiction. It can hover in place, roll, and even do 360-degree spins in the sky with just one big propeller. Its innovative twin fisheye 4K camera captures everything in its field of view from every angle. Jupiter has 4 propellers in each corner, and its landing and takeoff legs are pretty aerodynamic. The top mounting battery and proximity sensor help it land precisely, and the outside casing protects the internal propeller and gives it some cover as it flies through the air and records your surroundings. Glam Bank is perfect for people who want to take their photos with the best clarity and quality possible. The Glam Bank is a tool that makes it easy to change every settings on your camera, whether you want to do it automatically or by hand. When compared to standard flash photography or other commercial available lighting options, each of these settings will take your photos to the next level of brightness. Because the Glam Bank has a larger surface area, it can produce more light, show more accurate colors, be brighter, and run for longer at full power. It has an 8000 mAh battery that can power up for up to 6 hours and can charge 2 phones from nothing. Multiple Glam Banks can be paired with a steady stream of LED lights. This is very important for gamers. The Rig Tectonic Pro is the first keyboard set in the world that can be used with your palm like a thumbstick. With the click of a button on the side of the Tectonic pad, you can easily switch between game and work profiles. With its 5 preset profiles, which include keyboard, joystick, and mouse emulation modes, this device is easy to use and simple to set up. The 16.8 million color RGB lights at the 4 corners of the Tectonic Pro were made to make your gaming experience better. The raised angle makes it easier on your muscle, and the mirror polished surface makes it easier for your palm to get a good hold. The Tectonic pad has been changed so it can fit into any keyboard with less than 10 keys. It also has magnets around the edge so it can be attached to any metal keyboard by magnets. The price of the Tectonic Pro is $86.